Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Today I didn't plan to film, but I received a little something in my box from Colourpop. Yes! I know I'm a little late in the game, but as I live in France, the package didn't arrive very fast, obviously. So I just received it today. It is obviously the collaboration with Colourpop and Kristi. You know her on YouTube under the name Rawbeautykristi. I really love that girl. She is so sweet, funny, inventive, down to earth, and really like a friend, you know. Obviously we are not, but in my mind we are. But I really like this YouTuber. I had my ups and downs with Colourpop. Maybe you don't know it, but you can check on my channel. I have different videos where I review some Colourpop makeup, and I was a little bit disappointed with the quality because of what I heard of Colourpop. But when I saw that Kristi finally did her collaboration with Colourpop, I just couldn't not buy this collab. So at first I wanted to take the old collection, but I wasn't able to because I had the old collection in my basket, and I realized that I had the collection twice. So the time that I removed one, it was not available anymore. So I tried to take what I could, you know, because it was really fast. And I was there from the beginning. I was really disappointed that by mistake I put two on my basket, and the time, you know, like I said, that I take one out, I was back into the line, and then it was not available anymore. But that's fine. First up, I really like the box. One thing that is for sure is that Colourpop are really good with their packaging, in my opinion. I think they are always very cute, very pretty design, so I really enjoy that. The only thing missing, as I'm always saying, is the mirror in the palette, but I will pass that. So by now I'm sure you know all about this collection, but I hope that you will want to see what I think about it and what I create with this collection. But here you have the packaging. I think it's so cute and so Kristi, even if I don't know her, but I think that really reflects her personality with all the mushrooms, the nature, and the land where she's living. So I really enjoy this packaging. As always, it appears bigger on the screen as it is in reality. Here is my hand to compare. So I can see it's like petite palette. Here you have the palette. It is the first time that I'm opening it. I can see a little scratch on this pen, but that's fine. Nothing is broken, thank God. But I really enjoy the colors. I think it's perfect for fall, and I really enjoy all the story behind this palette, the nature, like I said, the land where she's living, all the mushrooms and all that beautiful stuff. So I really enjoy the palette. That is something that I really wanted to buy. I was able to get the 4 Super Shock shadows, also with a super cute packaging with the little mushrooms. So I did get the 4 Super Shock shadows. I get one liner, and it was the one that I wanted, so I'm super relieved. It's a creme gel liner in the color Marigold. It is the yellow. Again, super cute packaging with all the mushrooms. And I got one Luxe gloss. Again, packaging on point. And I took the Wildflower gloss. So, like I said, I'm sure by now that you watched thousands of videos, maybe not that much, but with all the swatches, and Kristi did the swatches on her video, so I don't think that I will do that because you've already seen that. So what I will do is use the palette, the liners, the Super Shock shadows and all, and let you know at the end of the video what I think of it. So the Super Shock shadow that I really want to use is the one called Campfire. Can you please open? Here it is. It is freaking beautiful. So I think it is better to apply them with fingers. So that's what I'm gonna do, even if I have big fat finger. We'll try to do that. The texture is just divine, let me tell you. Under the brows, I'm gonna use the Super Shock called Olympic. It is the more neutral, going into champagne color. We have Melicium, it's more on the gold peach, and Lacamoss is a mix between green and gold, very pretty. I will try with the brush first. Yeah, this one is not red. A little bit more difficult with the brush, but I was expecting that. Just because I can't help myself, I'm gonna use Melicium, the more this, can you tell the color in the middle? I will intensify the inner corner with it. So I'm taking Marigold, this yellow color, and I heard good thing about this creme gel liner. I am taking Intense Blush from Clinique. And let's try the lip gloss. First off, I really like the applicator. Oh, it smells very good. And here you go, guys, it's the look that I created with the Rawbeautykristi palette in collaboration with Colourpop. Don't mind this little situation that we have right here. It's always this eye that cry. I don't know why. I didn't even feel the tear, or I don't know what's going on, but every time right here it's patchy, and so it's not the eyeshadow fault, it's my eye. Okay, my thoughts on this palette. I think it is yes, sweetie, I have my baby girl right here. I think it's really good. I was actually surprised because I was kind of disappointed with the eyeshadow palette that I bought from Colourpop, but I like it. The colors are really beautiful, blends very well, pigmented. So I'm really glad. You know, I'm really glad. The color have depth and yeah, it's no. I'm happy. You know what? I'm just happy with the result. I know, sweetie, I know. The Super Shock Chic shadows, I have to play with it more because it is my first time that I'm using this product, but I think it's pretty. The only thing is you have to use your fingers, otherwise it's just not the same impact that you want from those shadows. But the colors are pretty. Two of them are quite similar. So if you want to buy some, maybe you don't need the 4. I just wanted to have it all to show you guys. The creme gel liner, I'm super happy about it. The color is splendid. It is really pigmented on the eye. I really like the results, so I'm really not disappointed with this product. And from the lips, I think it's really pretty. It's really glossy, shiny, doesn't feel sticky at all, really agreeable on the lips. It is it doesn't have a lot of pigmentation, but Kristi said so in her video. It's not supposed to have a lot of pigmentation, it's just a little tint of neutral pink, and I really like it on the lips. As you saw, I just put a little bit of lip liner and the gloss on top, and I like it. I think that for every day, it's really pretty. Yeah, I really like it. So overall, I'm glad, people. I'm really happy about my purchase. It's such a hard word to say. So you go, Kristi. I put my thumbs up for you. Do the same on my video if you liked it. If you want more tutorial using this palette, let me know. I will try to do it on my Insta as well, so go subscribe on my Insta page. And what else can I say? No, I think I said it all. So put a thumbs up if you like the video, share with a friend who loves makeup as well, and I see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.